So now I'll search for electricity wires. And as you can see, immediately we get only those videos which have electricity wires visually present inside them at exact timestamps. This is practically magic if you were spending hours scrubbing the footage finding exact relevant visual points. In this video, I'm going to show you how Cutsio is being used in a very specialized and niche service, which is drone footage intelligence. And if you are working in any of these categories like drone visuals for agriculture, surveillance, or even entertainment, with Cutsio, you'll be able to pinpoint and find specific frames just by visual reference across your whole footage. And not only that, Cutsio is solving three major problems that any drone company or any video company faces. First is ingestion, because a lot of times you have multiple places where video is being recorded from, and it's a pain to send all of those videos at one location. Second is visual intelligence, and that's a big one, in which you can virtually find anything across your whole footage through just visual or image searches. I'll just show you how that works. And the third thing Cutsio is solving is sharing of those videos, because ingestion and finding is just happening at your end. But what if you want to share the results? That also is one click inside Cutsio. So now let me show you how all of this works. So now I am in my Cutsio dashboard, and here I have added some drone footages which are completely different from each other. These ones are for solar panels, these ones are for city infrastructure, these ones can be for agriculture. So I'm trying to cover the whole spectrum of everything that is happening right now with Cutsio and how people are using it for drone footage right now. So let me show you how the first thing is being solved, which is ingestion. So with Cutsio, you can create a collection. Like I have so many of them, you can just create a new one. And what it will enable you to do is you can create an upload link inside Cutsio with just one click, and you can define when it will expire. Let's say I choose a link that is valid for 24 hours. I click here and now it's done. All you have to do is to just share this link to all of your team, and everybody can just upload those videos and they will instantly show up inside your own Cutsio library. No WeTransfer, no Google Drive, nothing like that. And this is how it looks in real life, and it's just a simple page with just upload button. And the best part is not only files, if you have already saved those videos inside Google Drive or Dropbox already, we can also ingest it in one click. So everything will become accessible at one place. So ingestion is solved. Now let me show you the big one. So let's go to overview. And as you can see, all of these have this visual index icon right here, which means they are added inside Cutsio's visual index. Once they are ingested, you have to add them to visual index manually. And it's super simple, one click. So if you open any video after it's ingested, you will see that in here, there will be a button which says add to visual index. Right now it says in visual index already because it's there. But let me show you how it will look like otherwise. So this one is not indexed yet. And now you can see that add to index button is enabled. As soon as you click it, will take few seconds. Your video or multiple of them will be added inside Cutsio's visual index. And that's where the magic begins. So let me show you how that works. So this is the visual intelligence tab in which I'm selecting the collection of my drone footage right here. And you can also see that all of these are indexed inside my collection, and these are out of the collection, so that doesn't matter. So all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos matter because I'm searching within these. So now my collection right here is a mix of videos which are surveillance or solars or agriculture. And let's see how specific we can search for it. So let's say I search for construction workers, right? And let's see if we are able to give you exact points where construction workers are present inside your whole library. And right now, as you can see, we accurately pinpointed at what timestamp in which video you will see construction workers right there. And imagine you have thousands of videos and you have to search specific frames where construction workers are present visually. It's practically impossible to do it right now in any other software other than Cutsio. So all of these are results. So we have 7 clips from 3 videos because That's where the construction workers are present. Let's say we want to search for green agriculture fields, right? Let's see what we get from it now. So immediately you see that we surface the results that are visually similar to what we just inquired about. And all we wanted was green agriculture field out of the whole library. Doesn't matter, it's one video, 10 videos, 10,000 videos, it doesn't really matter. We will surface what you want visually within seconds. So as you can see, all of these have green fields right here, exactly as we want. All of those construction workers are nowhere to be seen because that is not relevant. Right now, our query is green fields, which is what we are looking for. And now let's go totally opposite. And instead of viewing these green lush fields, we want to just view electricity wires, because let's say we are working on a surveillance drone footage and we want to see how in the whole footage and the whole library, there are specific places where electricity wires are present, and then we can take actions of what to do and what not to do from those footages. So now I'll search for electricity wires. And as you can see, immediately we get only those videos which have electricity wires visually present inside them at exact timestamps. This is practically magic if you were spending hours scrubbing the footage, finding exact relevant visual points. And that's not all. You can also search via image by clicking this small little icon. But as I promised, the third big feature we are solving is also sharing this footage to, let's say, your client or your team once you find these out. So let's say we found out that this was the video that had this search results. We can go to overview and search for that video right here, and we can just click the copy share link, and this is how the share link will look like. And you can share this with anybody, be it your client, be it your team. And all it took was just 1 second. And that's not all. What if you want to share a couple of videos, like a collection? That also can happen. So we're going to go to collection. Let's say we want to share this whole collection. We go here, we copy share link. A public link is created, and this is how it shows up as a whole collection, like so. So I don't think it can get any more magical, any more easier than this, especially if you are a company who deals in drone footages and a large number of that. Cutsio is built specifically for large video libraries. We ingest any format, any file, as long as it's a video. Cutsio will be able to figure it out, ingest it, create AI indexes, and enable you to search anything visually or semantically. Check it out at cutsio.com.